So let's see next question ನೋಡಿ. So question number 11. When a roller falls vertically, so this is a roller falls vertically, 5 different persons. Okay, so A person, B person, C and D and E, 5 person. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಟಿ ಎ, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟಿ ಬಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟಿ ಸಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟಿ ಡಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟಿ ಎಫ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ? 0. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಎಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯು ಟಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಿ ಟಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ 0 ಆದರೆ ಎಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಾಲಿಟಿ ಟು ದ ಏನು ಬಂತು? ಟಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟಿ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಬಿ ಇದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟಿ ಬಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಟಿ ಇ, ಟಿ ಇ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಟಿ ಎ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಟಿ ಡಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಟಿ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಬಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಎ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಡಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್? ಸೊ ಬಿ, ಇ, ಎ, ಡಿ, ಸಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 4th ಈಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ. The power of the crane. So this is the crane is here. Okay, crane. So which lift the mass is to 10 to the power of 3 kg. Height ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 20 meter. ಟೈಮ್ 10 second. So what is the power of this crane? Power is equal to work done by time. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ work done by gravitational against for gravitational by time. So what is a gravitational? That is mgh divided by time. So that is mass 10 to the power of 3 into 9.8 into 20 divided by time 10. So 0 cancel. So that is power is equal to 19.6 10 to the power of 3 kilowatt. So that is 19.6 kilowatt. First option is the right answer. Next question. Consider two uncharged capacitor. So these are uncharged capacitor. Equal capacitance C. One of them is charged by, so 100 volt. So V is equal to 100 volt, one of the capacitor. Then disconnected. Now this is connected with uncharged capacitor. So idanna again, so it is a charged capacitor. It is connected with what? This one is uncharged capacitor. The amount of elastic energy loss. So that is amount of elastic energy loss is equal to, so what is the formula is here? So C1 C2 divided by 2 C1 plus C2 V1 minus V2 whole square. So this is a formula. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ is equal to ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ V1 100 V2 is equal to 0. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ C into C square divided by 2 into 2C 4C into V square. So this C cancel. That is elastic loss of potential energy is equal to 1 by 2 C 200 pico 10 to the power of minus 12 into V square 10 to the power of 4. So 4 5s are, so that is loss of potential energy is equal to 50 into 10 to the power of minus 8. So 50 into 10 to the power of minus 8 means 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 6 joule. That is third option is the right answer. And circuit contains, so this is a resistor, then capacitor, then inductor. So this is a AC source. Okay, in series. The resonant frequency, what is the resonant frequency formula? 1 divided by 2 pi under root of L into C. That is resonant frequency is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 3.142 under root of L milli 10 to the power of minus 3 into capacitor 0.1. So 0.1 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So that is resonant frequency is equal to answer ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 15.9 kilohertz. So that is first option is the right answer. Next one, the figure given below shows long straight solid wire circular cross sectional area A carrying current I. This is carrying current I. The current I is uniformly distributed across the cross section. The plot which correctly represented magnetic field versus R. So magnetic field versus R graph. Magnetic field versus R. So R means what? R is the variation of distance. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮ್ಯೂ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 4 pi 2 IR divided by R square. That means the magnetic field inside is directly proportionality to the R. Then what is the magnetic field outside formula? Mu naught divided by 4 pi 2I divided by R. That is magnetic field outside is inversely proportionality to the R. So now you have to plot the graph. Okay, so this is a magnetic field, this one is R. First one inside only directly 45 degree. So this is B is directly proportionality to the R, outside only. So that is B is inversely proportionality to the R, outside. This is inside. So this one is what? R is equal to R. Okay, so which is the graph is correct? So that is first one is the right answer. Next one, an electric heater. So this is a electric heater supply at the rate of power is equal to 100 watt. If the system performs the work, so this is a system performs the work is equal to 75 joule per second, then rate of consumption of internal energy, that is dq by dt is question mark. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ how to solve this problem ನೋಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಯಾವ ಚಾಪ್ಟರಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದೆ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಥರ್ಮೋಡೈನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಥರ್ಮೋಡೈನಾಮಿಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಥರ್ಮೋಡೈನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಡಿ ಯು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ heat, internal energy, work done. Okay, so ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಡಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಟಿ. ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಪವರ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಬೈ ಟೈಮ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ dq by dt is equal to joule per second. Joule means heat energy per time. Heat energy per time 75 du by dt plus 100. So that is du by dt is equal to 25. That is second option is the right answer. Next question. The peak value of alternating current. Peak means I naught. The peak value of alternating current is 5 ampere and the frequency is equal to 60 hertz. How long? How long means time. Question mark. How long will current starting from 0 to take the peak value? So starting from 0 to peak value means up to I naught. Okay, up to I naught. That means I is equal to I naught. It is given. So now how to calculate this one? You have to use the formula I is equal to I naught sin omega t. So this is I is equal to I naught. So this I naught cancel. So that is omega t is equal to sine inverse of 1. So omega means 2 pi f into t is equal to sine of 1 is 90 degree. So hagadre t is equal to this pi cancel. T is equal to 1 divided by 4f. That is 1 divided by 4 into 60. That is 1 divided by 240 second. So that is second option is the right answer. Next one. So in Young's double slit experiment. So this is a Young's double slit experiment using the monochromatic light of wavelength light lambda. The intensity of light at a point on the screen, the intensity of light at the point on the screen where path difference delta x is equal to lambda, it is k. So hagadre the path difference is lambda by 3. What is k dash? Question mark. So hagadre we know that formula. Wave optics nalli ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಿರಿ, ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಟಿಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಿದೆ? I is equal to I max cos square. So that is phase difference by 2. So what is the relation between phase and path? Phase difference is equal to 2 pi by lambda into path difference. So delta x is equal to lambda ಆದರೆ this lambda cancel. That is phase difference is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಆನ್ಸರ್? 2 pi. Okay, so that is equal to 2 pi. So now put on equation. Okay, so equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರಿ. That is I is equal to I max cos square. So this is 2 pi ಅಂದರೆ 2. So 2 cancel pi. So that is we get answer is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? So k unit ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ. That is k is equal to I max banta, because it is one value. This value is k. It is given is here k units. Okay, come to the point of second step. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರೋಣ. That is delta x is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? lambda by 3. So lambda by 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ that is phase difference dash is equal to 2 pi by lambda into lambda by 3. This one cancel. That is delta pi dash is equal to answer ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 2 pi by 3. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ so that is I dash is equal to I max ಅಂದರೆ k cos square, this is 2 pi by 3 into 2. So this two cancel, so that is I dash is equal to k cos square pi by 3. So that is I dash is equal to k cos square 1 by 2 square, that is 1 by 2 square ಅಂದರೆ 1 by 4, that is I dash is equal to k by 4. So ಹಾಗಾದರೆ that is fourth option is the right answer for 18th question. 19th question, 4 statements are given. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ we know that radius is equal to r is equal to r naught a to the power of 1 by 3. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಿದೆ 4 by 3 pi r ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಆರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 1 by 3 ಹೋಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ವಿ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಾಲಿಟಿ ಟು ದ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಾಲಿಟಿ ಟು ದ ಎ. So this one cancel. First one, this one volume, the volume of the nucleus proportionality to the a to the power of 1 by 3. This is a false statement. The volume of the nucleus proportional to the a. This is a true statement. Then the difference in the mass of atom and its nucleus mass defect. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ so mass defect, okay, that is mass defect can be, how can be defined mass defect? So mass defect na ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? So mass defect is equal to mass of atom, mass of the atom, okay, mass of the atom minus mass of the nucleus, mass of the nucleus, that means mass of the nucleus and its constituents. Constituents means atom. So this is a true statement. This one is also false. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ false statement, false, a and c false, false a and c, true statement b and d. So a and c are a and b and d are true. So which is the right answer? So false, b and d true, b and d are true, a and c are false, that is second option is the right answer. Next question, in interference and diffraction the light energy is redistributed if it is reduces in one region and producing a dark region, dark fringe. It increases in one region and producing in bright fringe. As there is a no gain or loss of energy, so these phenomena are constituent with the principle of conservation of energy ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೈಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಟರ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡೈಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ವ್ಡ್, ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ವ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ವ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೋ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ. ಸೊ ಟ್ರೂ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಟ್ರೂ. ಸೊ 2 ಮತ್ತು 3 ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಈಗ. ಸೊ ಎ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ, ಬಿ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ನೋಡಿ, characteristics of exhibit the light waves, only light waves, only not light waves. Okay, so that is all types of waves, all types of waves anna exhibit ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So this one means this is a false. A is true, B is false, that is a second option is the right answer for 20th question.